Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create games in Canva. So by games here, I mean a quiz in for your Instagram story, Instagram post, or any platform that you use. So here I've already on Canva apps, and you can start by clicking on the search column and find games in here, or maybe quiz. Just click on enter and just wait until the templates is shown. Okay, so you can see there are lots of games template. For example, word search. There's also memory game. Let's scroll down first. Word puzzle, fun games. Here you can choose which one. For example, this is the trivia time. Just click on the template that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one for my Instagram story. Okay, so the quiz is which animal can run the fastest? You can use this question or you can also change it into your own question. And after you're done, you can just click on this arrow to save the photo. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.